Hello, my name is James with J&C Financial Services, and I wanted to take a moment to kind of talk with you about the three different types of business owners. Now, the first one is the business owner that does their own books. Maybe they have a QuickBooks account, maybe they have a FreshBooks account, maybe they have a spreadsheet, but they're doing their own bookkeeping. And one of the challenges there is, even though you may know how to do the categorization and so forth, and how to look at some of the reports, you might not know best how to interpret the data in order to make wise decisions. At the same time, this first type of business owner, they're going to be using, somewhere between 5 to 10, maybe 15 hours a month of their time, trying to actually do their books and understand it and make wise decisions based on it. So this particular person might be missing some of the understanding, they might be missing some of the planning, and they're also investing a lot of time that can be used to generate more sales for their business. Number two business owner, they have a bookkeeper, but they're using someone who they're paying, $5 an hour, upwards to maybe $15 or $20 an hour. And they're able to buy back their time, right? That 5 to 10 hours a month, that possible 60 to 120 hours a year. They're able to buy back their time, but at the same time, they're using someone that might not be giving them the best understanding for the money that they're spending, or they might not be using someone that can interpret the data properly to give them the same understanding they would need, how to make the wise decisions. What does the profit or loss report have to do, and how does it differ with the cash flow report? If I'm gonna make a decision on an expense, how do I know that I have the money to substantiate it going forward for the next 3 to 6 months? So they're gonna be missing, in a lot of cases, that interpretive data. So they're kind of in the same boat, right? They bought their time, they can generate more revenue with that time, but they're still missing the fundamental understandings of what the data means and how to use it going forward. The number three person, they are outsourcing their bookkeeping. They partner with another company like J&C Financial Services. They're getting their reports sent to them on a timely basis, but at the same time, they're getting understanding. They have someone they can lean on to get questions answered, to make wise decisions, to be able to see that if I buy this piece of equipment, how is it going to affect my taxes? How is it going to affect my cash flow going forward? If I'm making payments and installments on it, how is it going to affect me cash flow wise going forward? If I get this loan, how would that affect me going cash flow wise going forward for the next few months or for the next year? You can kind of see the difference. The number three business owner, they buy back their time by investing in a partnership that's going to be outsourced, but then they're also working with a skilled professional who can give them the data and interpretation that they need. Now you can kind of take a look and see where you are in terms of your business, whether you're number one, number two, or number three. And we like to work with number three clients who understand that they can save time, they can boost their profits, and they can reduce their taxes by working with someone whose sole skill is to make that happen for them. Subscribe below, send us a contact information. We'd love to have a chat with you about your goals and your challenges. God bless.